Well, you asked for it and it's finally here. In this video, I want to review Partner with Anthony program, which is going to change a lot of things for you if you're in affiliate marketing. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to do something different. I never reviewed a program or a software in depth like this. So if you know Anthony, he's a really successful affiliate marketer, and his new program, it's not new, I mean it's been around since 2019 2018 I think. It's blowing, like it's literally blowing. It's changing the game for whoever wants to get into affiliate marketing, because I've been doing it for over 2 years and I tried so many different programs. I'm not making this video to actually sell you something. It's going to be a legit video about Partner with Anthony program. It's going to be honest breakdown of everything. So as you can see, I'm inside the dashboard of Partner with Anthony, which is PWA, and right here on the left side I've completed 100% of this program. So I know what I'm talking about. It's not just a random review to just make money off it. It's not like this. I personally completed 100% of that every single session, because if you want to complete the session, you gotta wait 24 hours before the next session opens. So it's going to be a really good one, because in this way you can focus more on this course and the productivity is going to be even better. So for example, if you finish session number 1, for session number 2 you got to mark complete, and then you got to wait 24 hours until the next one opens. So I'm going to start with the dashboard, but before that, I want to tell you, I want to give you a brief overview of this program to tell you what it is exactly and how people are making money from it. So let me just pull up his YouTube channel. Okay, here we are on his YouTube channel. As you can see, he's got 88,000 subscribers, so he's legit. He knows what he's doing, and he's been doing it for I think 15 to 20 years, and he's made $100 million, as you can see on the right side, with ClickFunnels. So $100 million, yes, $100 million by using ClickFunnels. But the good thing about his program, which is PWA, is that you don't have to sell anything. Yes, you heard it right. If you're planning to promote ClickFunnels or GetResponse or all these popular softwares that people need in order to start their online journey, well, you have everything inside his course, because what he does is that he lets you to put your affiliate link instead of his link, and if someone clicks on that link and actually buy that software, which is ClickFunnels or GetResponse, you are going to get 100% commission. Yes, you heard it right, 100% commission, and you just need to sign up, which is almost $7 a month or $97 one-time payment, and then after that, how many people you refer to this program, you're going to make 100% commission off of ClickFunnels, off of GetResponse, and so many other things. So this is the dashboard, the main dashboard that the course starts. As you can see, session 1 talks about the commission, like the profit center and biggest reasons people fail. It's all about the mindset, and session 2 is all about mindset again, and it starts with session 3. Actually, it actually lets you know how to set up your profit center link. So if you refer someone to this program, Anthony is going to do the selling for you, and you make 100% commission. That easy. So what is affiliate marketing? The profit cycle blueprint, getting your basic tools. Let's review your new business model, because they have a private they have an internal marketing coach that you can get access to, which is an upsell, I think $67 a month, $67 one time, if I'm not wrong. And then they get on a call with you, and then they guide you how to promote Partner with Anthony program to make the most amount of money. Yes, they guide you. They're just not selling you the course, because whenever you make money, Anthony makes money. It's not the other way around, because as I said, you put your affiliate link instead of his links, and then you make 100% commission. So he wants to make money too by selling his course, of course, and you make the rest of it, which is ClickFunnels. You don't have to promote it yourself individually, because as you can see, as you know, there's too much competition for ClickFunnels or the other famous or popular tools that people want to use for digital marketing. So as you can see, there's 30 sessions, literally 30 sessions for 30 days. You can finish it. You can finish every single session, and every single session has so much value about email marketing, YouTube marketing. Everything is inside this course, and then he lets you know how to promote his course, and after that you can promote whatever product you want. It's not all about promoting his course. He teaches you how to promote his course, but you can implement these strategies on whatever course or whatever program that you want. It's super easy, and it's implementable because he explains everything in an easy way. And as I said, he also has internet marketing coach that you can get access to. So the second thing is commissions and links. So if I go to this section and if I log into my affiliate panel, as you can see, it looks something like this that I'm going to log in right now. It looks something like this. So marketer CRM, and then right here on the left side, you just need to click on partner with Anthony program. These are the rest of his courses and materials that you can, that he promotes, and you make commission if you purchase that. I'm partnering with Anthony right here, so you can check out your commissions here. You can check out your campaign links. If I click on it, you see that PWA partner with Anthony sales page, and if I refer people to this link right here, I make commission. So the same thing can happen to you as well. So it's super easy. You drive traffic to this link. Let me just show you how it looks like, so you know what the sales page looks like. So it's super easy, and as you can see, you just need to get into this page, and he talks about how he makes $1 million using ClickFunnels. And if someone clicks on like one of these call to action buttons, you see there are two options. One of them is $97 one-time payment, and the other one is $7 monthly membership. So literally anyone can join, which I highly recommend. If you want to get into affiliate marketing, this is a good thing to do. If you want to do something else, just do something else. So because the good thing is that you don't have to do the selling. That's the part I personally liked, and I decided to give it a shot. So it's been 2 months. Everything is going good. It actually helped my YouTube channel. It helped my email list. Everything got so much better. And as you can see here, he says, I won't show you how to do it. However, I will partner with you to help you to do this. That's the whole concept. So this is how the sales page looks like, and this is the affiliate dashboard. So I showed you these two, and right now this is a really cool part. So he has a program called Ambassador Program, which is, I don't know, probably close to $2,000. And if you purchase that Ambassador Program, he lets you to make 50% commission on every single course that he currently has. So for a partner with Anthony, you make 50% commission. So if someone goes for a monthly payments, you're gonna make $3.45, something like this. I don't know, $4, let's say. And for the rest of them, you won't make any commission unless you buy Ambassador Program, which is almost $1,700 if I'm not wrong, or $2,000. And then they are all high ticket products. So if you purchase Ambassador Program, if the person you refer to this course purchase Ambassador Program 2, you're going to make 50% commission, which is almost $1,000 in commission. And if they want to buy the other things, which costs $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $500, you're going to make 50% commission. So this is how it looks like, which is available courses, and you can promote them as well, but I told you how to do that. So we focus on partnering with Anthony. He teaches you literally everything about email marketing and YouTube marketing, paid ads for Facebook, which is awesome, step-by-step tutorial for Facebook ads. I personally love it because he works with his brother for Facebook ads, so he teaches you how to do it properly. It's super good. For $7 a month, I think it's a really good value. It's even worth to give it a try. So and that's it for this one right here. He also has something cool, which is called fast traffic source. So you can also use his solo ads, which are proven and tested, and make money and building your email list this way. So as you can see, For fast traffic source, if you go to this link right here, it's gonna tell you like how much it costs, and you can get traffic to your landing page, and he explains literally everything right here for you. So you can get 250 guaranteed leads, $325, and he explains everything for you. You don't have to freak out, wow, $300 for 250 guaranteed leads. You don't have to do that. He actually teaches you everything strategically, so you can make that happen with no worry, because you know that you're gonna get results. He's a really good salesman. He knows how to sell. You just need to drive traffic, sit back and relax. That's all you need to do. So that's for partner with Anthony. So if I want to go for every single session, it's going to take an hour. I don't want to waste your time. And also it's all about, you know, introduction to Udemy, how to buy solo ads, who to choose to buy solo ads from. Facebook ads, as I mentioned, is super cool. He also gives you his own landing pages, so you just need to integrate it with your landing page builder, which is ClickFunnels, or you can use the other things as well, and you're good to go. You use his landing pages, you use his copies, and then you can also use his own traffic. There's tons of traffic sources, guys. If you have any problem with driving traffic to your offer, leave me a comments down below in the comment box. I personally get back to you with some cool tips, because I personally gone through every single session for partner with Anthony program, which is totally worth it in my opinion. So as I said, I personally haven't seen anything bad from it, because he literally teaches you everything for $7 a month, which is mind-blowing. And then if you refer someone to this program, you're gonna make 100% commission for whatever software that they buy. So you literally don't have to do anything. It's super cool and also profitable. It's very lucrative. So this is his YouTube channel. I already showed you. So if you are really serious about affiliate marketing, so you don't want to just buy the course, never log into it, and you don't even know what it is, so then don't go for this one, because as I said, you gotta be patient. You need to wait for at least a month to finish the entire sessions, 30 sessions, as I said. If you click on them and if you click mark complete, it's gonna give you a timer for 24 hours for the next session. So if you're super serious about affiliate marketing, you can start this program by clicking on the link below in the description. You're probably asking yourself, why would I buy from you? I can just literally go on Google and search it for myself. So well, you know, I actually made a difference right here. And if you buy through my link, which is down below in the description, you're gonna get my personal mentorship for whatever traffic source that you want. You also get my 300-page affiliate marketing book, which is a step-by-step tutorial how to generate income from affiliate marketing. It's 300 pages, 100% free of charge. I'm selling it on Amazon for $10. You're gonna get it for free. I know I'm selling it super cheap, but you know, you get it for free. And the next thing you are going to get from me is my 4-day video training series, which you can find the link exactly below in the description. It's going to be the first link. I created 4 videos for 4 different days that I talked about my own journey, my own story, how I got into affiliate marketing, so you can do the same thing. And if it makes sense for you, then you move forward. Otherwise, you just stop everything. So that's about it for this review. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. It's gonna push my video in front of more people. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now. Just, you know, there's a little subscribe button, red subscribe button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell, so when next time I upload a video, you get notified first. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you later.